Hello, my clarinet students. So these are the region scales for clarinet. In the previous videos, we did E flat, and now we're going to do B flat. So B flat is concert A flat. We have a couple of flat notes. We have two. We have B flat 4. We have E flat, jelly bean, B flat, which is pinch, E flat, which is yellow. And then our last one is B flat, which is 1, 2, and the jelly bean again. If you notice, this is basically the same as our E flat scale. I'm gonna go back here. This one had 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. This one only has 2. So we have dropped a flat, which is kind of nice. This is the video that's in the description, so go down and check that video. Also, you can get the link to this Google slide presentation in the description, so check that out. So those are pretty much all the same notes that we worked on in the previous video. Go write your flats in. We start off on B flat 4, E flat 1, 2, and a jelly bean, B flat, E flat, which is 6 plus pinky, yellow, B flat, which is 1, 2, and the jelly bean, and then mark them going down. Oh, it kills me when I see clarinets who have them all marked in going up and then blank coming down. A scale is always the same way going up as it is coming down. It doesn't change on the way back home. Okay. Do I want you to write in all these notes? No. This is so that you can practice and check your work. Write in the notes you don't know. Write the flats in, but do not write in every single note. For some of you 7th graders, maybe you remember these, but you're not confident on them. Sure, write in some of these higher notes. For the 8th graders, pretty much just the flat notes are the only ones you should be writing in. Okay. That is pretty much it. There's nothing too crazy. Pause this screen to copy it down. And if you need to, go back here and pause this screen to copy it down. All right, guys, I will see you in the play along track. Practice this page the most, okay? This is the page, 4 beats on every note, 2 beats on every note, and then 1 beat on every note. All right, guys, have fun practicing.